The race to dominate the future of sustainable mobility is heating up, and two titans are at the forefront, Toyota and Tesla. While Tesla has established itself as the leader in electric vehicles, EVs, Toyota is betting heavily on hydrogen-powered vehicles as the future of clean transportation. This isn't just a competition between two companies, it's a battle of ideologies, technologies, and strategies. Both companies are pioneering innovations that could reshape the way we think about energy, sustainability, and mobility. Under Elon Musk's leadership, Tesla has been an unwavering advocate for battery electric vehicles, BEVs. Musk has openly criticized hydrogen fuel cell technology, dismissing it as inefficient and impractical. Tesla's commitment to EVs has not only revolutionized the auto industry but has also inspired a global shift toward electric mobility. Tesla's supercharger network, cutting-edge battery technology, and energy storage solutions have made it a household name, setting a high bar for competitors. On the other hand, Toyota, long known for its dominance in hybrid technology, is charting a different course. Toyota believes that hydrogen fuel cells hold the key to sustainable transport, particularly for heavy-duty vehicles and industries that require high energy density. With its hydrogen-powered Mirai and investments in green hydrogen production, Toyota is boldly stating that clean energy's future isn't limited to batteries alone. This rivalry goes beyond cars, it's about redefining global energy systems. Governments around the world are setting ambitious net-zero emission targets, and the stakes have never been higher. Whether it's Tesla's electric empire or Toyota's hydrogen vision, the decisions made today will shape the mobility of tomorrow. Will one technology dominate, or can both coexist in a cleaner, more sustainable future? Let's explore this epic showdown and what it means for the future of transportation. Tesla has revolutionized the auto industry, becoming synonymous with electric vehicles, EVs. Elon Musk's vision has propelled the company to the forefront of sustainable transportation. Tesla's Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y are household names, boasting advanced technology and a sleek design that have set the standard for EVs worldwide. Musk's strategy has been simple yet effective: make EVs desirable, efficient, and accessible. At the heart of Tesla's success is its focus on battery technology. The company has invested billions into developing high-performance lithium-ion batteries that deliver impressive range, fast charging, and long lifespan. Tesla's gigafactories, located across the globe, are designed to scale battery production while reducing costs. The result is a rapidly growing EV market with Tesla as its centerpiece. Tesla's supercharger network has further solidified its position as a market leader. With over 45,000 superchargers globally, Tesla provides its customers with unparalleled charging convenience. This infrastructure addresses one of the most significant barriers to EV adoption: range anxiety. The company's advancements in battery recycling and energy storage, such as the Powerwall and Megapack, showcase its commitment to a sustainable energy ecosystem. Musk has also been vocal in his criticism of hydrogen fuel cells, calling them mind-bogglingly stupid. He argues that the inefficiencies in hydrogen production and storage make it a less viable option compared to battery electric technology. Tesla's approach has undoubtedly worked, with the company maintaining a dominant share in the EV market. However, the question remains, can batteries alone power the future, or is there room for alternative technologies? While Tesla has focused solely on battery electric vehicles, Toyota has chosen a different path, investing heavily in hydrogen fuel cells. Toyota's commitment to hydrogen stems from its belief that the technology offers unique advantages, particularly for long-distance travel and heavy-duty applications. Unlike battery electric vehicles, hydrogen-powered cars can be refueled in minutes and offer ranges comparable to traditional gasoline vehicles. Toyota's flagship hydrogen vehicle, the Mirai, is a testament to this vision. The Mirai has been engineered to deliver a zero-emission driving experience without compromising performance or convenience. With a refueling time of just 5 minutes and a range of over 400 miles, the Mirai challenges the limitations of EVs, especially for drivers in areas where charging infrastructure is limited. Toyota is also focusing on building the hydrogen ecosystem. The company is investing in green hydrogen production, which uses renewable energy to extract hydrogen from water, ensuring that the fuel is truly sustainable. Collaborations with energy companies and governments aim to expand hydrogen refueling stations, a critical step for mainstream adoption. Beyond passenger vehicles, Toyota is leveraging hydrogen for commercial applications. From hydrogen-powered buses to heavy-duty trucks, Toyota sees hydrogen as the key to decarbonizing industries that batteries struggle to support. The company has also partnered with other automakers and industries to promote the hydrogen economy, positioning itself as a leader in this space. Critics, however, question the efficiency of hydrogen compared to batteries. The energy loss during hydrogen production, storage, and conversion raises concerns about its viability. But Toyota argues that the scalability of hydrogen, especially for industrial applications, makes it a vital part of the clean energy mix. This sets the stage for a clash of technologies, batteries versus hydrogen. The competition between Tesla and Toyota is part of a larger global race to redefine mobility. As climate change accelerates, governments worldwide are enacting policies to phase out fossil fuels and transition to renewable energy. Countries like the United States, China, and those in the European Union have set ambitious goals for net zero emissions by 2050, and the transportation sector is central to these efforts. Tesla's role in this race is undeniable. As the world's leading EV manufacturer, Tesla has pushed competitors to innovate and adopt electric mobility. Countries like Norway, where EVs make up over 80% of new car sales, highlight the potential of battery electric vehicles in achieving carbon neutrality. Incentives for EV adoption, including tax breaks and subsidies, have further accelerated this trend. Toyota, however, believes that a one-size-fits-all approach to clean mobility won't work. While EVs are well-suited for urban areas with established charging networks, hydrogen offers solutions for regions with long distances and limited infrastructure. Hydrogen's versatility extends beyond transportation, with applications in energy storage, heating, and industrial processes. The rivalry between these two companies reflects the broader competition between nations. China, for example, is aggressively pursuing both EV and hydrogen technologies, with companies like BYD and NIO challenging Tesla in the EV market. Simultaneously, Japan and South Korea are making significant strides in hydrogen innovation, with Toyota leading the charge. Infrastructure development is a critical aspect of this race. Tesla's supercharger network is a major competitive advantage, but hydrogen refueling stations are slowly gaining traction. The success of either technology will depend on building a supportive ecosystem that ensures convenience, affordability, and reliability for consumers. This global race isn't just about technology, it's about reshaping the energy landscape. The outcomes will influence everything from geopolitics to economic growth, making the stakes higher than ever before. Tesla and Toyota, as leaders in their respective fields, are setting the stage for a transformative future. The question is, which vision will prevail? Consumer preferences play a pivotal role in shaping the automotive industry, and the rivalry between Tesla and Toyota highlights the importance of understanding market demands. Over the past decade, electric vehicles, EVs, have shifted from being niche products to mainstream options, driven by advancements in technology, falling battery costs, and increased awareness of environmental concerns. Tesla has capitalized on these trends, building a strong brand synonymous with innovation, luxury, and sustainability. Tesla's appeal is evident in its cult-like following. The company's focus on performance, sleek design, and cutting-edge features like autopilot has resonated with a tech-savvy audience. Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model and over-the-air software updates have further enhanced its reputation as a forward-thinking automaker. Market data shows that Tesla commands a significant share of the global EV market, with the Model 3 and Model Y being some of the best-selling EVs worldwide. However, Toyota has its own strengths. As one of the largest automakers globally, Toyota has a massive production capacity and a reputation for reliability. The company's success with hybrid technology, particularly the Prius, demonstrates its ability to create fuel-efficient, eco-friendly vehicles at scale. Toyota's focus on hydrogen fuel cell technology aims to capture a different segment of the market, one that prioritizes long-range capability and quick refueling. The challenge for both companies lies in addressing consumer concerns. For EVs, range anxiety and charging infrastructure remain significant barriers. Hydrogen-powered vehicles face skepticism over fuel availability and production costs. Additionally, as global economies recover from the pandemic, affordability has become a key factor influencing purchasing decisions. The automaker that best balances innovation, cost, and convenience is likely to win consumer trust. Emerging markets add another layer of complexity. While Tesla dominates in developed regions like North America and Europe, Toyota's global reach gives it an edge in markets like Asia and Africa, where infrastructure and affordability play a larger role. The future of mobility will depend not just on technology but also on understanding the diverse needs of consumers worldwide. The battle between Tesla's electric vehicles and Toyota's hydrogen-powered cars is not just about technological superiority, it's about the broader economic and environmental implications of clean mobility. The transportation sector accounts for nearly a quarter of global greenhouse gas emissions, making it a critical focus area for achieving climate goals. Tesla's electric vehicles are often seen as a key solution to reducing emissions. The company's focus on battery technology has resulted in significant improvements in energy efficiency and carbon footprint reduction. Tesla's gigafactories are designed to use renewable energy for battery production, further enhancing the environmental benefits of its EVs. Additionally, Tesla's efforts in battery recycling aim to address concerns about resource depletion and waste management. Hydrogen, as championed by Toyota, offers its own environmental advantages. When produced using renewable energy, hydrogen is a zero-emission fuel that can be used in various sectors beyond transportation, including energy storage and industrial processes. Toyota argues that hydrogen's scalability makes it a critical component of a sustainable future, especially for industries and regions where batteries fall short. Economically, the stakes are equally high. The global automotive market is worth trillions of dollars, and the transition to clean energy vehicles is creating new opportunities and challenges. Tesla's success has made it one of the most valuable companies in the world, but maintaining its position will require continued innovation and cost reduction. Toyota, with its extensive manufacturing capabilities, has the potential to scale hydrogen vehicles more efficiently if the infrastructure supports it. The competition also has geopolitical implications. As the US and China vie for dominance in clean energy technologies, automakers like Tesla and Toyota find themselves at the center of a broader economic rivalry. The winner of this competition will not only shape the future of transportation but also influence global trade, energy policy, and economic growth. The stakes couldn't be higher. Whether the future belongs to batteries, hydrogen, or a combination of both, the decisions made by Tesla and Toyota will have lasting consequences for the planet and its economy. While Tesla and Toyota are often seen as competitors, a potential collaboration between these two giants could redefine the future of the automotive industry. Both companies bring unique strengths to the table, and combining their expertise could accelerate the transition to clean mobility. Tesla's dominance in electric vehicle technology and its innovative approach to battery design could complement Toyota's leadership in hybrid and hydrogen fuel cell technology. Imagine a future where Tesla's advanced software, over-the-air updates, and battery expertise are integrated into Toyota's robust manufacturing capabilities and extensive global reach. This synergy could result in vehicles that are not only more efficient and affordable but also accessible to a wider audience. Collaboration could also address some of the biggest challenges in clean mobility. For instance, while Tesla has built an extensive EV charging network, Toyota could leverage its influence to expand hydrogen refueling infrastructure. By pooling resources, the two companies could create a comprehensive energy ecosystem that supports both electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles. Moreover, working together could drive innovation in areas like energy storage, renewable energy integration, and autonomous driving. Both companies are exploring how artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance vehicle performance and user experience. A partnership could accelerate the development of these technologies, benefiting not just their customers but the entire industry. Economic and geopolitical factors could also play a role in fostering collaboration. As governments around the world push for zero-emission vehicles, automakers are under increasing pressure to meet stringent regulations and consumer expectations. By joining forces, Tesla and Toyota could share the costs and risks associated with research, development, and infrastructure deployment. However, there are challenges to such a partnership. Tesla's open ecosystem approach contrasts sharply with Toyota's more traditional and methodical strategy. Aligning their corporate cultures and long-term goals would require careful negotiation. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of collaboration are too significant to ignore, and the idea of a Tesla-Toyota alliance remains an exciting possibility for the future of transportation. Emerging markets hold immense potential for influencing the competition between Tesla and Toyota. Countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America are rapidly urbanizing and becoming key battlegrounds for automotive innovation. With growing middle-class populations and increasing demand for affordable and sustainable transportation, these regions represent untapped opportunities for both companies. Toyota has a clear advantage in emerging markets due to its established presence and reputation for reliability. The company's success with models like the Corolla and Hilux demonstrates its ability to produce vehicles that meet the needs of diverse markets. Toyota's strategy of offering hybrid vehicles as a transitional solution aligns well with the infrastructure limitations and economic constraints in these regions. On the other hand, Tesla faces significant challenges in penetrating emerging markets. High upfront costs, limited charging infrastructure, and a lack of government incentives make EV adoption difficult in these areas. However, Tesla's commitment to reducing battery costs and its plans to build localized gigafactories could pave the way for greater accessibility in the future. Hydrogen-powered vehicles also hold promise for emerging markets, particularly in areas with abundant renewable energy resources. Toyota's focus on hydrogen fuel cell technology could address the limitations of battery-powered EVs, such as long charging times and limited range. By investing in hydrogen infrastructure, Toyota could position itself as a leader in these markets. The competition between Tesla and Toyota in emerging markets is also influenced by government policies and international trade dynamics. Countries like India, Brazil, and South Africa are implementing policies to encourage the adoption of clean energy vehicles, creating opportunities for both companies. Additionally, partnerships with local manufacturers and suppliers could help Tesla and Toyota establish a stronger foothold. Ultimately, the success of Tesla and Toyota in emerging markets will depend on their ability to offer affordable, reliable, and sustainable transportation solutions. As these regions continue to grow, their influence on the global automotive industry will only increase, shaping the future of the rivalry between these two giants. The rivalry between Tesla and Toyota extends beyond their individual competition and has profound implications for the broader automotive industry. Their differing approaches to clean mobility, Tesla's focus on electric vehicles and Toyota's commitment to hydrogen fuel cells, are influencing the strategies of other automakers and reshaping industry norms. Tesla's rapid ascent has forced traditional automakers to rethink their business models. Companies like Ford, General Motors, and Volkswagen are investing heavily in EV technology to keep pace with Tesla's innovation. Tesla's focus on direct-to-consumer sales, over-the-air updates, and software integration has set new standards for the industry, prompting competitors to adopt similar practices. Toyota, meanwhile, is driving interest in hydrogen as a viable alternative to batteries. The company's commitment to hydrogen fuel cell vehicles has inspired other automakers, such as Hyundai and Honda, to invest in this technology. Toyota's emphasis on hybrid vehicles as a transitional solution has also influenced companies like Nissan and Subaru, which are adopting a gradual approach to electrification. The competition between Tesla and Toyota is also accelerating advancements in battery and fuel cell technology. Tesla's breakthroughs in battery efficiency and range have raised consumer expectations, while Toyota's efforts to reduce the cost and improve the durability of hydrogen fuel cells are making this technology more accessible. These innovations are not limited to passenger vehicles but extend to commercial trucks, buses, and even aircraft. Additionally, the rivalry is shaping supply chains and infrastructure development. The growing demand for lithium, cobalt, and other battery materials is driving investment in mining and recycling technologies. Similarly, Toyota's focus on hydrogen is spurring the construction of refueling stations and renewable energy facilities. The influence of Tesla and Toyota extends to global energy policy as well. Governments are aligning their regulations and incentives with the advancements made by these companies, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates the transition to clean mobility. As Tesla and Toyota continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, their competition serves as a catalyst for change in the automotive industry. Their innovations and strategies are setting the stage for a new era of transportation, where sustainability, efficiency, and technology converge to redefine mobility.